What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today I want to test the new 15-watt wireless charging on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and see how much faster it is than the older Galaxy Note 9. I was able to get a hold of the new official 15-watt wireless charger that Samsung makes. It says here it's compatible with the Note 10 and the S10 5G up to 15 watts, so I'll test both of these in this video. This charger runs about $80 US, so check the link below for current pricing because you'll never know when they'll go on sale. If you're wondering what comes in the box, you get the charger itself. It's a single stand charger, not a duo, a little pricey. Some paperwork, but you definitely don't need that. USB-C cord and a fast charging brick. This looks like the same one that you get in the box with the Note 10 Plus. The quality is nice though, it's plastic with some ventilation on the bottom and a pretty large fan on the back with ventilation for cooling, so this looks pretty serious. To charge the Note 9, I'm using the Duo charger that is 12 watts. This was introduced with the S10 series. Even though it's 12 watts, the Note 9 doesn't support it, so it shouldn't mess with the charging times. And of course, the Note 10 Plus with the new 15-watt official charging stand. After 5 minutes, the Note 10 Plus has 3% charge, while the Note 9 has 2% charge, very close at the takeoff. I had to readjust some things to get rid of this glare. After 16 minutes, I missed the 15-minute mark. The Note 10 Plus has 13% charge and the Note 9 has 8% charge. After 30 minutes, the Note 10 Plus has 29%, which isn't bad at all, and the Note 9 has 18%. This is a little closer than I thought it would be since this isn't quite double the speed that I was expecting. After 1 hour, the Note 10 Plus has 57%, which is really good, and the Note 9 has 39%, which is faster than I thought it would be. After an hour and a half, the Note 10 Plus has 84% charge and the Note 9 has 60% charge. So the Note 10 Plus taking a decent lead here. And finally, at the 1 hour and 54-minute mark, the Note 10 Plus hits 100% and the Note 9 is at 77%. This is impressive considering that the Note 10 Plus has a larger 4,300 mAh battery compared to the Note 9's 4,000 mAh battery. I'm going to charge the Galaxy S10 5G to confirm 15-watt wireless charging while the Note 9 goes to 100. 2.5 hours later, the Note 9 is at 97%. It's almost there. 2 hours and 43 minutes later, the Note 9 hits 100%. So the Note 10 Plus with a larger battery is about 50 minutes faster, almost an hour faster. So that is fantastic if you're a wireless charging fan. Checking the Galaxy S10 5G, it looks like 15-watt wireless charging is supported here. Same amount of time the Note 10 Plus takes to charge on the estimated countdown. Makes sense since they both have the exact same 4,300 mAh battery. I want to add in that the Note 10 Plus was a little bit warm during the first half of charging, but cooled down towards the end. The Note 9 was the same, but in the end, I'm happy that wireless charging times are getting better. In my last wireless charging test, the iPhone XS Max took about 4 hours to wirelessly charge, so this is a major win. So let me know in the comments, are you picking one of these new 15-watt wireless chargers up for your Note 10, or are you cool with the older chargers and don't mind waiting a little longer? Thank you for watching. Link below if you want to pick one of these up. More Note 10 content coming up, so subscribe to the channel and go ahead and click that like button if you enjoyed it, and I will see you again very soon.